Today's test drive, this is a 2001 Chevy Corvette Convertible. 5.7 liters. Pretty sweet looking ride. We're gonna take her down the road, pick out chips, scratches, rust, dents, all that good stuff so you know what you're getting. Finance and shipping is available. Just go to maplemotors.com. For now, this one is an automatic, pretty stock, with 107,000 miles. Let's take her down the road and see what we can find. About that time, let's go for a ride. Before we take off, just check everything out. We usually place bets on the horn, but you know the horn works on this one. And then turn signals, wipers, gauges. Great oil pressure, seems high, honestly. I don't know if that gauge is working. Your tachometer's working for sure. Radio.
It's never too.
Yeah, AC, blowing cold. Top here. We'll take it down, why not? Gotta run up here across town anyways. Taking the top down. Roll the windows down. There it goes. See if I can remember how to do this. Guy. Let's go. So I think you just picked this up. Come back a little bit with this. That's what it was. Gotta use two hands. Yeah. Oh. Looking pretty good. Good deal. Just go ahead and close my visors, get my seat back. And now we take off down the road. Here we go, guys. Like I said, 107,000 miles. There'll be a little bit more after we get done driving it, but as far as going down the road, it seems pretty straight. It's not pulling left and right. Real tight steering. Speedo is working. Getting into those brakes, they're nice and smooth. Back in our throttle. Yeah, not missing a beat. Already knew this was going to be an easy test drive. That's why I'm driving this car across town. It is rush hour traffic too, so. But what we're going to do is continue this video. We're going to light up the undercarriage. We'll get some more outside shots. We'll watch all our vitals, make sure everything's good, which I'm sure it is with the miles. And if you got any more questions after picking out the flaws, just let me know. But instead of showing us sitting around in traffic, I'm gonna skip over to the next scene. See you in a second. Here we go, heading on back to the lot. This thing's silky smooth. I don't believe the oil pressure gauge because it's showing 80 pounds all the time. I think that gauge is broke. But everything else is checking out. We got cold AC, which we're gonna cut off. So we don't need it. It feels wonderful out here. But as you can see, this runs and drives great. It drives like a 100,000 mile car. It's ready to go to be your daily. Picking out the flaws, I did that back there in the parking lot, so you can see all the chips and scratches. Whatever I find, because it is a 2001 model. It's not a brand new paint job. Little bump in the road here. Suspension checked out. Every time I pull up to this light, like in every single video, I'm like, please turn right, please turn right. And they always turn left. It's been a while since I've got a right turn. With that being said, we just hit a red light, guys. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. Be sure to hit subscribe, share, hit that like button. That does help my channel. I do say that every time because, man, it works. Some people are like, you know what? I'm going to do that today. I like this video. Hey, I'll see you in a minute. All right, let's walk this ride, starting in the front. A few little marks in the front here. Paint spots. Like little cracks in the bumper. It's not perfect. Cracks in the light. Here in the corner. Hazy on this side. Chips. No, it's not a chip. Maybe some wax, I don't know. Kind of looked like wax, didn't it? And down the side here. Tires are in decent shape. Scuff there. Tailpipes on this one a little dirty. Be cleaned up. Trunk jams back there. Pretty good. A little dirt. A little hazy on this emblem. A few marks. Guess there's a popper in here. Okay, there it goes. That thing was a little stiff getting, yeah, look, it's kind of stuck. You gotta, see, pull straight up. There we go. Okay. Scratch on top. Front window, not bad shape. Looks pretty good. But down this side, little scuff, marks on the fender. All right, let's check out the interior. Looks like a little piece in here is missing. Little spots there, scuffs. See some fading and some wear on the seats. Under here. A little loose under the dash here. Probably got a clip missing. Be worth getting some clips. Some of this foam's kind of coming out too. That seat's looking pretty good. Door panel, not bad. Dash looks clean. Wheel lock. Airbag lights in there. Where does that go on the dash here? I think it just mounts inside there. Starts up good. Visors are definitely faded. Little clips are broke too. So I had tape on this one because it was flopping around. Visor's kind of worn in, faded. Check under the hood here. Coming on down. Mark on the hood here. This crack in the hood. Spot there. Alright, we made it around this ride, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit subscribe, share this video. I post stuff like this all the time. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.